Hello guys, welcome to Media City Top 5 News Hours. Russian President Vladimir Putin has asked the North Atlantic Treaty Organization to jointly de-escalate the situation in Europe since the termination of the Cold War era Intermediate Range Nuclear Forces Treaty. In a statement published by the Kremlin, Putin on Monday criticized the US withdrawal from the INF Treaty last year, which led to the collapse of the pact, increasing the risk of an arms race and intensifying Russia-NATO confrontation, reports Xinhua news agency. Active efforts are required to reduce the deficit of confidence, strengthen regional and global stability, as well as lower the risk arising from misunderstandings and disagreements in the field of missile weapons, he said. 2 firefighters were gravely injured and tens of thousands of Californians were forced to flee their house Monday as 2 new fires riped through Orange County. About 90,800 residents in Irvine were put under mandatory evacuation orders because of the Silverado fire and the smaller Blue Ridge fire, said Sean Sherwood, a division chief for the Orange County Fire Authority. High winds and low humidity fueled the fire's rapid growth. On Monday, the BJP claimed the majority of seats in the Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council election, securing 15 of the 26 seats. The Congress, its primary challenger, captured 9. Key to the BJP's win was its capture of seats away from the town of Ladakh, including 6 of the 7 seats from the Nubra Valley. The BJP won in Tartuk, Panamak, Tegar, Hunter, Diskit, Tangsi, Kungiam, Skumarka, Tikse, Korzog, Lingshet, Lamayuru, Martsland, Khatsi and Chishot. Meanwhile, the Congress prevailed in Lower Lak, Upper Lak, Ighor, Saspol, Basko, Sakti, Phyang, Skurbujan and Temesgam. The 2 remaining seats of Chushul and Neoma were claimed by independent candidates. The Aam Aadmi Party, which was contesting in the election for the first time, did not manage to bag a seat. At least 1 person was killed and over 25 others left injured in a clash between police and a crowd during the Durga idol's immersion ceremony in Bihar's Mankar town on the intervening night of October 26 and October 27. The deceased was later identified as 18-year-old Anurag Kumar Podar. He was reportedly shot in the head. Among the injured were 20 policemen. Meanwhile, social media users have started uploading shocking visuals of last night's situation in Mankar. Hashtags like Mankar Danga, Shame on Mankar Police and Boycott Mankar Election began to trend on Twitter. Schools in Rajasthan are likely to reopen from November 2 for classes 10 to 12, officials have confirmed. Schools in the state have been closed for the last 7 months in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. A ready proposal to the state government was sent by the State Education Department 3 days back. The proposal for reopening schools for senior classes from November 2 is now awaiting the response from the state government, State Education Minister Govind Singh Dotasara said. Now let's wind up for the day. This is Media City Top 5 News Hours. Thank you and have a nice day.